Hello everyone, it's Dr. Stam. I realize it's been a long time since I've connected with all of you, and during this difficult and challenging time, I find myself pondering ways that I can be of support to you, your mental health, your mental wellness, or even your family. This time, especially this time of social distancing, has caused many of us to be discouraged, to be afraid, and yes, at times to be angry. I wanted to remind all of you, especially during this time, that giving up is not an option. Whether it's giving up on life, on hope, on what the future holds, giving up is not an option. In times like these, when we are looking for strength, for courage to live on, I'm reminded of a quote, from the late Dr. Wayne Dyer. He said, when we hit these rough and challenging times, if we let it go far or let it go long enough, it will stop us from reaching our full potential. And eventually, it will cause us to give up and quit in the memories of regret. Giving up is not an option. Let me encourage you. There's this story that I read about lessons from the hen. Hey, most of you have probably either kept a hen, a chicken around, or even know of somebody that keeps chicken. Well, there are lessons that a hen can teach you. The first one, she first lays enough eggs before sitting on them. That's good planning. The second lesson is when she starts sitting on eggs, she minimizes movements, discipline. The third, she physically loses weight while sitting on eggs due to decreased feeding. That's sacrifice and self-denial. Number four, she can sit on eggs from another hen. That's generosity. Number five, a hen can sit on her eggs for 21 days, patiently waiting. Even if they do not hatch, she will lay there again. That's faith, hope, and patience. Number six, she detects unfertilized eggs and rolls them out. Sensitive and discernment. Number seven, she abandons rotten eggs and starts caring for the hatched chickens, even if it's only one. Wisdom, consciousness, and realistic. Number eight, no one touches her eggs, so she's very protective and loving. Number nine, she gathers all her chicks together, unity and purpose. And the final one, number 10, she cannot abandon her chicks before they mature, mentorship. Oh, maybe one more bonus one lesson that we can learn. She never gives attention to anyone or anything when she's bringing up her chicken. That means she stays focused. I hope these lessons will remind you of that inner strength that you possess, which will help you build the courage to live on. If you haven't done so, I have some free ebooks that are on my brand new website, www.drstemempowerment.com. You'll find a link in this blog as well. You can download 3 of my books actually that are right on the front page of the website. Let me know what you think of these lessons. How are you handling this time? What are you doing that is new that you haven't been doing before? What lessons have you learned? Share with me as we start to talk more about building the courage to live on. This is Dr. Stem. Be encouraged.